To get started, we need to grab our tools. We import the vectorizer to turn text into numbers, the naive Bayes model for the logic, and the random module to mix things up. Here we define the tweet generator class. Think of this as the blueprint for our bot. Inside the setup function, or __init__, we accept the corpus, which is just our list of example tweets. We save the tweets, set up our math converter and ML model, and immediately kick off the training process so it's ready to use instantly. Now, let's look at how we actually teach the model. We turn the text into a matrix of numbers, x. Since we aren't categorizing anything, we just give everything a dummy label of 1 so the model can learn the vocabulary without complaining. This is the fun part where we actually generate new content. We pick a random tweet from our list to start with and chop it up into individual words. We create an empty list for our new sentence and start looping through every word in that seed tweet. Here's the twist: for every word, we flip a coin. If it lands heads, greater than 0.5, we keep the word. If tails, we swap it with a random word from the sentence to make it sound funny. Finally, we glue the words back together into a single string and send it back. To make this usable, we create a TweetCLI class to handle the user interaction. When we start the interface, we pass in the generator we built earlier so the menu knows what to use. We define a menu function to keep the program running. We enter an infinite loop and print the menu option so the user knows what to do. We pause the program here and wait for the user to type their choice. If they chose one, we call our generator function and show them the result. If they chose 2, we say bye and break the loop to stop the program. And if they type nonsense, we politely tell them it was an invalid choice. The model needs data to learn, so here is a hard-coded list of sample tweets about coding to get it started. This check ensures we are running the script directly. Finally, we wire it all together, create the generator with our data, put it inside the CLI, and launch the menu.